Wow, would you look at the size of these flakes? Word on the news says we're getting 3 inches an hour at this rate. Hopefully we don't have too much more of this. I think it's supposed to start clearing out in a couple hours. But right now it's just coming down tremendously. Heard some thunder snow earlier. Oh, the size of these flakes. And let's see. Yeah. This was just shoveled not long ago. It's already covered again. And she's still at it. Wifey's still at it. Look at everything she's done already. It's getting covered again. I tell you, God bless her. My leg is still broken and I can't get out there to do this. Yeah, as you can see, I'm still on crutches. Well, be safe, everyone. Love and light. Peace.